Tapo C260 versus C230. Which Tapo security camera should you buy? If you're choosing between the Tapo C260 and C230, both are capable smart security cameras, but there are some important differences that could make one a better choice for your home. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The biggest difference is image quality. The Tapo C260 records in 4K with an 8-megapixel sensor, while the C230 uses 3K resolution with 5 megapixels. That extra resolution on the C260 can be useful when you want more detail in your footage, especially when you're trying to see people or objects from a distance. Both cameras offer pan and tilt coverage, night vision, motion detection, person and vehicle detection, pet detection, two-way audio, and local microSD storage. The C260 goes a step further with features like face recognition, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a physical privacy mode that actually covers the camera lens. The C230, however, still offers a lot of useful features for everyday home monitoring. If you simply want to keep an eye on a room, doorway, or another area of your home, you may not need all the extra features of the C260. Both cameras can also use cloud storage through a subscription, while local microSD storage gives you another option. So, which one should you buy? Choose the C260 if you want better image detail, more advanced AI features, and dual-band Wi-Fi. Choose the C230 if you want a capable security camera, without paying extra for features you may not use. Overall, the C260 is the more advanced option, while the C230 can be the better value for basic home monitoring. If you want to check the latest details or buy this camera, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me which Tapo camera you choose.